to find the equilibrium solutions to a differential equation, we set dy dt equal to 0 and solve for y. We're looking for solutions to y where the differential equation equals 0. So I'm going to set t squared minus 1 times y squared minus 2 over y squared minus 4 equal to 0. And a fraction can only equal 0 if its numerator equals 0, so I can just ignore the denominator. And I've got t squared minus 1 times y squared minus 2 equals 0. And then I have a product equaling 0, which means one or both of the factors must be 0. And this tells me t is plus or minus 1, and this tells me y is plus or minus root 2. But I'm only looking for functions y equals that are solutions. Okay. So remember, to find equilibrium solutions, you set dy dt equals 0, and you're looking for y's that make that equal to 0. Okay, so the solution to a differential equation dy dt is a function y of t. That's what we're looking for.